Hi everyone! So my friend Kathy sent me some boo mail and she sent me these two tassels right here. You can find these on like Amazon, Temu, probably AliExpress. And these are already pre-made little tassels. So I thought, let's jazz them up. Let's add a charm. Let's add some beads. So that's what we're going to do today. I just cut a small little piece of wire. I just bought wire from Hobby Lobby. So since that was like right on top of my pile of stuff, that's what I pulled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tassel. I'm going to take my wire. I'm going to feed it right in between right there. And then I'm going to bend the wire up. And then because I want it nice and tight, I'm going to use my pliers right here just to make that like nice and snug. That way the bead will fit over. So I'm going to feed this through. See, this little charm right here already has a jump ring. So I'm going to feed it through that jump ring. So then now that falls down to the front. And then I am going to add the next bead. So I'm going to put that right there. Let's see. I'm going to straighten this wire out. It's a little bent instead of being straight. So we're just going to pinch that together better. And we're going to feed that through our bead. So then now that falls down right there. I'm going to take my next bead. Do the same thing. Just feed that on through. Oh, you know what I forgot to bring out were my jump rings that I wanted to use. I'll have to grab those right now. So we're just going to keep feeding on all of our beads. And then we're going to add our jump ring to the top. So this is really good if you don't know how to make tassel, you find them a little bit too complicated. You can just buy the pre-made ones and still make them nice and cute. So there's that. And then let me grab my jump rings. So I have this set of colored jump rings. I actually bought this a few years ago on Amazon. I'm sure they still have it. You might be able to find colored jump rings on Temu or AliExpress as well. The only bad thing is like, look, the whole thing is just stuck. It's always like a mess trying to get just a single jump ring out. So when you open jump rings, you want to twist them apart, not pull them apart, because you'll lose that little circle shape. So we're going to go ahead and feed our jump ring right between there, and then we are going to go ahead and just close that off, and then we can slide out that black wire that we had added, and then now we have our completed little beaded tassel. Isn't that really cute? So we're going to do the same thing with the next one. On this little skeleton is going to be my charm. He's really, really cute. He was given to me last year in my swap. I wish I had more of these. He's a nice size. He's probably like almost 2 inches. Definitely like 1.5 inches. He's really cute. I really like him. I need to go look for some little skeletons like that because I don't have any more like that in my stash. So we're just going to go ahead and attach him like that. And we're going to do the same thing like we did with the orange one. We're just going to go ahead and put this right in between the loop right there. Pinch these together closely, make it easy. Well, I guess technically I didn't even need to do a jump ring. I guess I could have fed it through his little, no, I think it'd be cuter with the jump ring because now it sits a little bit better. You see how the jump ring sits kind of like at the top? So that does look cute. Okay, so I'm happy I put the jump ring. So there's our little skeleton guy. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to feed some beads through the wire and bring it on down. And then when I was picking my beads, I tried to make sure that they had a slightly large hole because I had some that were like teeny tiny where like barely the wire would fit through. So I knew that those were not going to work, that there was no way I was going to be able to feed it through the like floss right here, embroidery thread or whatever this is. So when you're picking out your beads, just make sure it's going to be large enough that you can go ahead and pass that through. Oh, look, this one's kind of tight. So I'm going to use my pliers and just try to wiggle that down. There we go. And then got our last one right here. Feed that through. And then we're going to add our jump ring. Yeah, I'll do a silver. I was thinking maybe green, but I'm like, it's not going to go. It's not going to match well. There we go. So I'll just take this one and feed that right through there. Take our wire off and bring those together. And then there is our next little beaded tassel there. I think those came out really cute. They're a really fast little project to go ahead and put together. Look, I did that in no time at all. It honestly took me longer to pick what charm and what beads I wanted to use, because I'm like, I just have so many really cute beads that will go well. So that was my hardest part, was I take too long picking things on what to use. So anyways, that's our little video for today. I'll definitely do some more. She sent me a whole lot of stuff, so I was just kind of looking through the box and seeing what little ideas I could come up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.